A garden of fire in a bag, the joys of homegrown chilies. There's a unique satisfaction in growing your own food. The taste of a sun-warmed tomato, the crisp snap of a fresh lettuce leaf, these are simple pleasures that connect us to the earth. Growing your own chili peppers offers this and more. Imagine stepping out your back door and plucking a fiery chili straight from the plant, ready to add a kick to your dinner. No more last-minute dashes to the grocery store for that essential ingredient. With a simple soil bag, you can cultivate a vibrant chili pepper garden, no matter how much space you have. This method is incredibly convenient, easily movable, and perfect for beginners. Let's embark on this fiery gardening adventure together. This guide will delve into the practicalities of growing chili peppers in soil bags, providing a clear and encouraging roadmap for novice gardeners. We'll explore the benefits of this method, gather the necessary tools, and learn the steps to cultivate a thriving chili pepper patch. Get ready to add some spice to your life, one homegrown chili at a time. Why soil bags? The perfect pepper cradle. Soil bags offer several advantages for growing chili peppers. These breathable bags provide excellent drainage, preventing waterlogging that can harm pepper plants. The loose structure of the soil within the bag also ensures proper aeration, allowing roots to breathe and flourish. Unlike traditional gardening, soil bags offer greater control over soil quality. You can choose a premium potting mix specifically designed for vegetables, ensuring your chili peppers receive the optimal balance of nutrients. This level of control is particularly beneficial for beginners who might find it daunting to amend garden soil. Furthermore, soil bags are incredibly versatile. They can be placed on patios, balconies, or any sunny spot with ease. Their portability allows you to move your chili peppers to follow the sun or protect them from harsh weather. This adaptability makes soil bags a fantastic option for urban dwellers or anyone with limited gardening space. Gathering your gardening arsenal tools of the trade. Before we embark on our chili growing journey, let's gather the essential tools. You'll need sturdy soil bags, available at most garden centers. Choose bags specifically designed for growing vegetables as they offer better drainage and durability. Next, select a high-quality potting mix formulated for vegetables. This pre-mixed blend provides the necessary nutrients for robust chili pepper growth. Of course, you'll need chili pepper seeds or seedlings. Experiment with different varieties to discover your favorites. Consider adding compost to your potting mix for an extra boost of nutrients. A watering can with a gentle rose attachment is essential for even watering. Finally, gather stakes or cages to support your pepper plants as they grow taller and heavier with fruit. Preparing your pepper's palace. Setting the stage for success. With our tools assembled, let's prepare the soil bags for our chili peppers. Position the bags in their permanent location before filling them, as they can become quite heavy once filled. Choose a sunny spot that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Using a pair of scissors or a utility knife, carefully cut drainage holes in the bottom of the bags. These holes will prevent water from pooling and suffocating the roots. Next, fill the bags with the potting mix, leaving a few inches of space at the top. Mix in a generous amount of compost to enrich the soil and promote healthy root development. Ensure the soil is loose and well draining by gently squeezing a handful. It should crumble easily, indicating proper aeration. Planting the seeds of flavor from seedling to spicy success. Now comes the exciting part, planting our chili peppers. If you're starting from seeds, sow them indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last expected frost in your area. Plant the seeds in seed trays filled with seed starting mix, covering them lightly with soil. Keep the soil consistently moist and provide warmth using a heat mat or sunny windowsill. Once the seedlings develop their first set of true leaves, they're ready to be transplanted into the soil bags. If you're opting for seedlings from a garden center, choose healthy plants with vibrant green leaves and no signs of pests or diseases. Dig a hole in the prepared soil bag, slightly larger than the seedling's root ball. Gently remove the seedling from its container, taking care not to damage the roots. Place the seedling in the hole and backfill with soil, ensuring the root ball is level with the surrounding soil. Nurturing the flames, watering, feeding, and supporting your chilies. With our chili peppers nestled in their soil bags, it's time to provide the care they need to thrive. Water the plants deeply whenever the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Avoid overwatering as this can lead to root rot. Use a watering can with a rose attachment to distribute water evenly and prevent soil erosion. As your chili peppers grow, they'll benefit from regular fertilization. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks, following the package instructions for dilution rates. As your pepper plants grow taller and begin to fruit, they'll need support to prevent them from toppling over. Insert stakes or cages into the soil bags near the base of the plants, gently tying the stems to the supports using soft twine or garden tape. This support will prevent breakage and ensure your chili peppers have a sturdy framework to bear their fiery fruits.